The handheld gaming market is a battlefield, and right now, a quiet war is raging behind the scenes that is about to change everything you know about portable power. In this video, we were told to compromise. If you wanted portability, you had to settle for lower frame rates, washed-out screens, and battery life that barely lasted a flight. Then, the original Asus ROG Ally dropped, and it completely shifted the paradigm. It proved that we could actually carry a legitimate Windows gaming PC in the palm of our hands. But let's be entirely honest with ourselves. The first generation was a beautiful, chaotic experiment. It had the raw power, it had the stunning display, but it also came with glaring flaws that left many gamers frustrated. Dealing with battery anxiety, operating system bugs, and hardware quirks that reminded us we were essentially beta testers for a new era. Now the dust has settled, the competition has fired back, and Asus is preparing to unleash their ultimate response. The Asus ROG Ally 2. This isn't just a minor refresh. This isn't about slapping a new coat of paint on an old chassis. Asus is aiming for absolute dominance, looking to completely crush the Steam Deck, wipe out the Lenovo Legion, and give handheld gamers the definitive, no-compromise machine they have been begging for. If you are a PC gamer, a tech enthusiast, or someone who loves the idea of playing AAA titles anywhere in the world at maximum settings, you need to hear what is coming next. Because the engineering decisions being made for this next-generation device are about to redefine the benchmark for portable hardware. Let's talk about the core engine driving this machine. The silicon. The original Ally relied on the AMD Z1 Extreme, which was a powerhouse for its time. But handheld gaming demands an entirely different level of efficiency. The rumors and internal leaks regarding the ROG Ally 2 point to an absolute monster of an APU, built on AMD's latest cutting-edge architecture. We are talking about a chip designed from the ground up to maximize performance per watt. Imagine launching a massive open-world title like Cyberpunk or the latest next-gen RPG, stepping out into a sprawling, dense city environment, and seeing smooth, uncompromised 60 frames per second without your device sounding like a jet engine taking off. Asus is unlocking a level of graphical fidelity that previously required a dedicated desktop GPU, all while running cooler and consuming less power. This brings us to the biggest pain point of the first generation: the battery life. Let's face it, the original Ally was essentially tethered to a wall outlet if you wanted to play demanding games at 30 watts. It wasn't truly portable, it was just a PC with a built-in screen. Asus has heard the uproar from the gaming community loud and clear. The ROG Ally 2 is engineered around a completely overhauled power delivery system and a significantly larger, high-density battery cell. But they aren't just making the battery bigger and the device heavier. The magic lies in the software and hardware integration. By utilizing advanced AI-driven power management, the device dynamically allocates resources millisecond by millisecond. When you're in a simple menu, the power sips like an e-reader. When you enter an intense boss fight, the power surges instantly. This means hours of continuous, high-end gameplay on a single charge, finally giving you true gaming freedom. But power means nothing if you can't see the glory of the game. The original display was beautiful, but the next generation is taking a massive